This sound fake dinner disaster was actually real, asterisk shocked. Nobody expects a maid cat to react like this, but here are my top 3 worst moments from that fancy party. First, when I chased it across the crystal. Surprised asterisk second, getting scolded right in front of everyone for ignoring basic animal fact challenge etiquette. And third, the sheer amount of glitter involved. It was awful. Honestly, I still get upset thinking about how badly things went wrong. When a laser pointer starts moving under the table, what's your immediate panic reaction?